Hey guys, so some of the specs of the Armor 29 Ultra were leaked, so I'll be comparing these specs with that of the Armor 28 Ultra. Now having in mind that these specs may not be entirely correct because they were just leaked by different online sources, we'll get to know the top and real specs of the Armor 29 Ultra in a few weeks, and of course that of the Armor 29 Pro as well. So make sure to take the specs you see in this video with a pinch of salt. Anyway, without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go guys, as I mentioned earlier, these specs may not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. But what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.